Hi guys, welcome to Elementor Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add stylish card hover effect on your WordPress Elementor website. So I've created a lot of tutorial already before that. So if you want to learn how to add a vertical sidebar on your Elementor website, or if you want to add transparent header on your Elementor website, you can learn from other tutorials. I'll add the link of these other tutorials which I have created in the description below. In this video, you will learn how to add this stylish card hover effect, which will look like this. So that's how it's going to look in the desktop version. And that's how it's going to look in the mobile version. Looks cool, right? And we will not be using any external plugin other than Elementor itself. And it's super easy. All you have to do is just watch the complete video and make sure to subscribe this channel. So only 11.7% of the viewers who watch our videos subscribe to our channel. 88.3% are not subscribing to our channel. They watch our videos, but they do not subscribe. It takes a lot of efforts to create this type of tutorial for you guys. And in order to help you and in order to provide more valuable content for you guys, I would love for you guys to subscribe this channel so we can add in more value to our content and complete your request, which you will mention in the comment. Okay guys, so let's start implementing this. I'm just going to go to my dashboard of the WordPress and add a new page. Click on add new page here. I'm going to name this image card hover Elementor tutorial. Click on publish. Okay, then click on edit with Elementor. Okay, we have header of the website showing up. So first I'm going to hide that because I want to show you guys how you can make it full height and make it in a different section. So click on page settings and then go to page layout and then select Elementor canvas. So we will not have header or footer, we will just have our section. Okay, now let's click on plus sign, then click on flex box and then click on this direction here. Perfect, click on layout and for minimum height, scroll to VH and then add 100 VH. Perfect. Now let's click on this plus sign and then click on container again. And here, select this one here and then width to be 25% for this one. And I'm going to open the navigator, which is also called structure. And this container, we want the align items to be center. So our column can be center. And from here, center as well. So we have justify content center and align item as center. Okay, so that's our first column within our main container. Now within this container, I'm going to drag and drop my image. And from image resolution, select full. Now select your image. I'm going to select this image, just like the example which we have created before. Okay, now let's go to style and max width 100%, height to be 450 pixel. Now you're seeing that it's a little stretched. So in order to fix that, we will select object fit as cover. Looks good, right? Okay, now next part, we will add a divider. Click on plus sign here, search for divider and drag and drop our divider here. Now this divider, go to style and in weight, add in 450px gap. Let's do 0. Perfect. Click on advanced and then from advanced, select position to be absolute. Perfect. And now I'm going to add some margin here. So add in 20 margin. Looks good. Now let's click on plus sign again and then drag and drop our image box. So search for box and you will find this image box. Drag and drop it below again. And here we do not need any image here. So just remove that by clicking on this delete icon. And this is our first column. Okay. Now I'm gonna style this text a little bit. So go to style and change the colors. You can select typography as per your preference. I am going to select a little different as our example. So Roboto is the font which I like. Okay. Similarly for the description, I'm going to do the Roboto. Perfect. Now let's go to advanced and then go to position and go to absolute position. Okay. So it's showing up on the top and we first need to make our divider transparent so we can see the position of this image box. So let's click divider here and then from style, make it transparent for now. Add in this color and make it transparent for now. Okay. Now let's go back to image box by clicking here. And for now, we will add our offset and offset should be in %. So click on % and add in 50 offset. Okay. After doing so, scroll down to the bottom and open up the custom CSS. And here we're going to add in custom CSS. Guys, if you're not seeing in custom CSS, meaning you're not in Elementor Pro, and this tutorial is for Elementor Pro, but I can definitely create this tutorial for you guys to work on the free version as well. So if you want me to recreate this tutorial for you guys to work on Elementor free version as well, let me know in the comments below and create an updated version which will work completely fine, similar to this one in the free version as well. Okay, in custom CSS, we'll add some code, and this is the link which you will find in the YouTube video description. And here, this is the first CSS code which we will add. So copy this code. You can also click on this copy code button and paste the code here. Okay, now you can see that it's showing up on center. Perfect. Now we are going to create 4 different columns like this. So to create 3 more by duplicating this. So I'm just going to click on here and then create a duplicate version. Now you can see it's coming below here, not on the top. So we will set up the direction of this container. So click on this container here and set the direction to be horizontal. Cool. Now let's create theme 2 more copies. There's another one and here's another one. Okay, now we have 4 copies. Now let's update the images. I'm gonna update the images on my columns. Let's update the image for the second column. Do the same for the third one. Let's do for the fourth one as well. Perfect. Now we will add some code. So select the first container which we added when we were creating this page. This is here. When you open up the structure, click on it, click on advanced, scroll down to the bottom, go to custom CSS, and now we will add custom CSS again, which is present in this blog. Link will be in the description, so you don't have to worry about that. Click on copy code and then paste our code here. And here you go. Now you can see that our stylish hover effect is working awesome. But you can see that we need to add some padding as these text is going on to the edge. So let's click on it. And now we're going to add 20px padding for our image box. Let's do this for all of them. Perfect. Now let's take a look at the mobile version of how it looks. Also, we will be adding some border radius to our image to make it look more cooler. So let's go to image and add in the border radius. I'm going to add 20 border radius for all of my images. Okay, looks cool. Now let's take a look at the mobile version of how it looks in the mobile version. So in the mobile version, you're seeing that it has some spacing here. We're going to cover it. And how are we going to do it? So let's click on the first one, divider. And here we have gap. We will add the gap as 40. You can adjust this gap if you have a little different spacing. You can see that it's now completely centered and does not have bottom weird spacing. Let's do that for all of the columns. Perfect. We have it looking good in the mobile version as well. Now, in the example, if you notice, the first column is in red color, the second one is a different, the third one is a different color, and the fourth one is a different color. How you can do that? Super simple. So just click on this image, click on Advanced, go to Custom CSS, and here we have another piece of code. If you scroll down, click on Copy Code, paste the code, and now we can change the color here. So you can add in the hex code of the color. If you don't know how to generate the hex code, you can simply go to hex code generator. Here you will find a lot of HTML color codes. So click on HTML color codes. And you can simply select the color which you like, copy the color code, and paste it here. Okay, I think it was not for the image. Sorry about that. It needs to be updated on the container, not the image. So go to container, click on Advanced, then click on Custom CSS, and then paste the code. Perfect. You can see that our column color is updated. Now let's change the second column as well. Click on this container here for the second one. Go to Advanced, paste in the code, and now let's find the hex code. Let's do this one for the second column. I'm going to copy this and paste the color here. Okay, we have second one as orange. Now let's change for the third one. Go to container, go to HTML color codes, and let's find a little different this time. Okay, this one. Perfect. You need to add in the code. Okay, we have 4 different colors in our column now. I'm going to click on publish and then preview if it looks fine in the preview as well. Clicked on publish and then let's preview it. There you go. Looks cool, right? And guys, if you don't want to work for all of the codes and create it on your own, you just need to comment in this video and we will send you the Google Drive link where you will have a ready-made template of this hover effect So you don't need to pay anything for that. You don't need to do anything other than giving up a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below that please send this section as template, or just mention in the comments, give me template, and we will send you the link of the Google Drive where you will have the ready-made template of Elementor Pro. All you'll have to do is just import this, and it will be super easy to import. All you have to do is just create a new page and import it. So let me show you how you can do that. So I'm gonna go to dashboard and then create a new page and show you guys how you can import that. So let's create a new page and click on add new page. I'm just gonna name it import card hover template. Click on publish. Click on add it with Elementor. And here I'm again going to hide my header by selecting Elementor canvas as page layout. Perfect. Now let's click on this icon here, and here you will have the option of blocks, pages, and then click on my templates, and from my templates click on this icon here to import template. And once you do that, click on select file. You will be getting JSON file via the Google Drive link if you comment in the video description. And we have our so here's the template. Click on the template, click on open, click on continue, and click on this icon again. And once you go, now you will go to my templates, and here you will have this image card hover template. All you have to do is just click on insert, click on apply, and you will have this ready-made image card hover effect section good to go. Looks cool, right? That's it for the tutorial. Let us know in the comments below if you want to learn more about Elementor, WordPress, or anything related to web design and development. Until next video, have a great day.